So inside this box is Samsung's Galaxy S8 smartphone, aka my new daily driver. Let me tell you why I chose this phone specifically in 2018. You guys, TSP here from TSP Tech. Now before we get into this, I just want to say I'm so sorry for that desk setup video that I've been promising you guys. I'm still working on it. I went on vacation last week and I just got back, and I realized how absent I've been, and I'm working super hard on it. I have the A-roll done. I'm 90% done with the B-roll. I've started editing about a couple days ago and it's almost done. I just gotta get the A-OK from the sponsors and everything like that, and the video should be out within the next week. So I'm so sorry for that, but here is a little sort of teaser trailer, or basically this is the beginning clip of the video, so roll it. TSP, new studio, take one. You guys, welcome to my ultimate $2,000 gaming/editing setup. Yeah? Did you like it? Are you looking forward to it? Drop a like. Don't worry, it's gonna be my next video, so stay tuned, stay subscribed. But with that being said, let's crack into this. Alright boys and girls, let's just crack into the device. Here it is. Let's just pop it open. This is gonna be my first high-end daily driver. Well, basically the one that I bought. So LG did send out the G6, so that's why it doesn't really count as my very first, but this is the first one I actually purchased with my own money. So inside we have the S8, and we also have my SIM card and stuff like that inside the box. But I mean, here is the box for the S8. Yeah, I mean, as you can see, this is the box. As you can see, it says Galaxy S8 right here, Galaxy S8 right here. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. At the bottom we have some information. At the back we have information about the device, such as the specs. So this has 64 gigs of storage. Let's take out the sleeve. As you can see here, it says Samsung. Let's cut that open, and inside we have the device. So taking it out, this is the S8, the regular one, not the Plus. Put that to the side. Inside we do have our SIM ejector tool along with some paperwork inside. Now inside the box we have pair of Akg headphones. Now this is actually a pretty good thing about the S8, and good job on Samsung actually including $100 headphones with their phones. As you know, the G6 never came with headphones, so it's pretty cool. We also have a black USB-C cable. In here are replacement ear tips for the Akg headphones. We have a micro USB to USB-C adapter. Let me zoom in for these parts. Nope. Lost it. We have a full-size USB to USB-C adapter, as well as an adaptive fast charger from Samsung. Now we'll crack into all these in a second, but that's all you get in the box. So as you can see, here is the phone, and this is it next to my previous daily driver, the LG G6. As you can see, they're pretty similar in sizes. This one just has a lot of fingerprints on it because I've been using it for the last year. But yeah, they're pretty similar in sizes, and that's one of the main things that I actually wanted from this new phone. I wanted to be similar in size to my previous phone, which was the LG G6, so that it wouldn't be much of a difference when I get into it. So yeah, let's just hop into the S8. This is the cleanest it's going to be until like now. I mean, comparing these two phones heft-wise, I can definitely feel the G6 is a little heavier, but I definitely like the feeling of the S8 much better than the G6. Those rounded corners. Actually, this is a tough one. I like the feeling of the metal frame of the G6, but I also like the edges of the S8. I'm gonna have to put some thought into this, and while I do that, enjoy my next video, which is gonna be the desk setup video, and then after that, I'll probably have my 1 month later review of the S8. So, a lot of content coming soon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying subscribed. Sorry about all the delays and stuff. I went on vacation too, so that's why I didn't really upload. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.